Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be picking the giveaway winners, and we're going to use this commentpicker.com and pick you guys. So last time on the giveaway we said 5 giveaways currently for YouTube, 3 FPV shirts, and also 2 secret shop access. Now before announcing the winners, there's also something pretty interesting in store right now. We just released our first official white t-shirt design, and it's the F3 ESC with the back EMF equation. Because since ESCs use the back EMF, or the FET drivers do use the back EMF in order to calculate what is the next phase to be turned on. So thought it would be really nice. And some people said, oh, just missing a little bit of extra. And we did this really nice double color layer, which you could see on the shop down below. Not only that, if you buy any 2 t-shirts, you get 1 free. Yeah. Buy 2, get 1 free. Just buy any 2, leave in the notes which one you want free and what size. And if you don't do that, then we'll email you if you buy 2 and ask you what do you want. But obviously that'll make the process a little bit longer for you. It might take a day or 2 extra to ship out instead of having it shipped out immediately. So yeah, buy 2, get 1 free. Come get some. All right, now let's pick the winner. So we have 5 people to pick here, and I got the video loaded. So just to double check, oh, I'm clicking on the wrong place. All right, so we're gonna get the link right here, and I'll explain to you guys also how to contact me in order to do it. So I'm gonna get the YouTube comments, 220 people, and filter them, and right here. This is kind of like a very unorganized website here. So first winner is gonna be a FPV shirt, and it's this guy. Love the shirts. Will you ever have different color? Wow. Yeah, we just released the white one. That's such a funny coincidence. So yeah, we just released the white t-shirt. So you could probably pick that one if you want, which is it's the same design as this one, and it's white right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and save you on the side so I don't lose you. All right, so it's H Sinclair 1000. Congratulations on your FPV shirt. I'll explain to you how to contact me after I pick the other winner. Next is going to be Secret Access Shop. Let's see who it is. And let's see. Come on. Peter Peterman. You already have Secret Access, so an FPV shirt if you want, Peter Peterman. So whatever you want, let me know. Whether I'm sure you already have Secret Access. So yeah, Peter Peterman, just saving that down. Let me just put that FPV shirt for Peter Peterman, because you already have Secret Access. So FPV shirt, and this one's FPV shirt. So we'll do the next 2 to be the secret shop. So let's go ahead and pick another winner. Let's see. Bob M, you get secret access. Sorry, yeah, you get secret access. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save Bob M here. All right, and who's next? Let's go ahead and see who's next. Secret access also, and it's going to be F4B4 Fabadai. Well, you get secret access, so email me, and email me with your username, and then also leave a comment with the first 2 letters and the last 2 letters of your email. So before the @ sign. So if your email was FPV Life, then you would give me the first 2, which is FP, and then Life, which is the last, so it's FE, and then I'll know that's you. So just in case someone wanted to jump in, so you get secret shop access. So we got these 2, secret shop access. Now we have 1 more t-shirt giveaway here. Let's go ahead and check it out, and just double checking everything is working here. All right, let's see. Carl Gray, congratulations, you won yourself an FPV t-shirt. Make sure you email me the size and also the which one you want. So let me know down in the comment section, or sorry, email me, and yeah, you got yourself a brand new FPV t-shirt. There we go. So you can choose any of the ones that are currently on the website. And again, buy 2, get 1 free. So if anyone wanted to purchase some, I'm only gonna have this running for the next 48 hours to 72 hours, and then I'm stopping that sale. So yeah, this is your chance to buy 2 and then get 1 free. So you get 3 t-shirts, and they can be any size you want. So just let me know when you order the 2, in the notes which is the third one you want and what size you want it to be. And if you forget, don't worry, I will email you asking you what size do you want and what t-shirt did you want, even if you forgot to leave a note when you bought 2. And obviously free shipping, so yeah, it's going to be really great. And well, that's it guys, that's going to conclude it for this video guys, and come join my Patreon. I have a ton of giveaways this month, and it's going to be pretty fun and pretty interesting, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.